Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to fix ChatGPT's slow responses or stuttering text. If your AI feels like it is dragging its feet while typing, let's get right into the fixes. First, you should try a simple account reset by logging out and back in. Sometimes your active session token gets stale, causing the interface to lag during long conversation chains. On the ChatGPT website, tap your profile picture or the menu button and select Log Out. Once you're out, immediately log back in with your credentials. This force refreshes your connection to the OpenAI servers and often clears up those weird typing delays instantly. Next, you need to clear your browser's history and cache data. Over time, Google Chrome accumulates a massive amount of site data that can make complex web apps like ChatGPT run significantly slower. Open a new tab, go to your Chrome settings, and navigate to clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time, and make sure you check the boxes for browsing history, cookies, and cached images. After you hit clear, reopen ChatGPT and a fresh tab. You'll have to log in again, but the page should load and respond much faster. Then you have to look at the weight of your account. If you have hundreds of saved conversations in your sidebar, it can actually make the entire browser window sluggish. You can try starting a brand new chat to see if the speed improves. If the whole interface is still crawling, you might need to go to your settings, select data controls, and use the delete all chats option. Starting with a completely clean slate removes the background processing load of managing all those old text strings. Finally, keep an eye on your hardware and browser extensions. If you're running dozens of other tabs or power-hungry apps in the background, your computer might be struggling to process the AI's streaming text. Close any unnecessary tabs and try disabling extensions like grammar checkers or ad blockers specifically for the ChatGPT site. These tools often scan the text as it appears, which can cause that annoying stuttering effect as the AI tries to type. And that is it. Your AI should be back to its lightning fast self now. If these speed fixes helped you get your work done faster today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.